yips. What does that mean? Pag-usapan natin yan sa video na ito. Yips is a noun, pangalan, something. At yung something na yan is that feeling, that negativity that athletes or performers feel kapag nasa field na sila that causes them to make mistakes. Kumbaga, yung daga doon sa dinadaga. And when someone has the yips, kung tawagin, imbis na mag-perform sila dun sa best of their ability, bigla silang nagbo-buckle, kinakabahan, nabibitawan yung bola, o hindi ito tinatamaan, nadadapa, o may mga, kumbaga, rookie mistakes silang ginagawa. So kung gusto natin gamitin na sentence, we could say, Joshua seems to have a bad year. He couldn't shake off the yips. Si Joshua daw ay hindi maganda ang performance sa taon na ito. Si Joshua daw ay hindi maganda ang performance sa taon na ito. Parang hindi niya mapagpag yung yips o yung daga sa dibdib niya. Alright, that's today's story today. Para hindi niyo makalimutan, gamitin na sentence, comment niyo sa baba, and don't forget to follow me for more.